with hammer. Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily V. Okay everyone, before we go into today's daily V with lots of cooking, I would like to say there is an Eat Right program by Allied Me by Kanikaka, Tuhinaka and Sanamaka. So it's all about yogic diet and even I will be attending it. There's gonna be a live cook along. So if you want to attend the program, the link is in the description. So these are for all of us un-yogic people eating un-yogic food. If you want to bring an element of yogic food, please attend the program. I will also be there, guys. It's over a weekend, so hope to see you over there. Namaskaram everyone. So I woke up at 5 a.m. because there's this program called Anandalai happening for Kerala and Tamil Nadu, online program. It's super supportive and it's really awesome. So yesterday I got a doubt like how to enhance our space while doing sadhana. So one simple thing that you can do is burn an oil, natural oil or ghee lamp. I personally use ghee. Yes, I use Mark ghee. And yeah, there's a picture of Sadhguru also. So if you can do this while doing your sadhana, it will be very conducive space. Yes, there's a happy Buddha. And of course we have a Devi pig also. Okay, the session got over and yeah, now I'll do my rest of my practices. I've been getting up and doing my practices, and this Anandalai session has definitely supported me in getting back to it. And yeah, the lamp is still burning, but it's a small lamp. One thing I would like to say is you can get a bigger lamp, maybe the Buddha lamp. The one I bought, this even with full ghee, it will give around 1.5 hours. So if you're doing long practices, you might need a bigger lamp. That's my sadhana space. Yes, it was a Zoom call and yeah, we were attending it in that. I have new ghee, fruits, and anda, and puttu, and pad. Beautiful Devi saris. So you can make an offering to Devi at Linga Bhairavi website, and they will send it to you. So it's a beautifully. Oh, look at that! The butterfly came and sat on the Devi sari. So let me see if more written about the sari. No, its code number is only written. So there's a certain donation that you can make for this offering, and then you can wear it and be with the grace of Devi. So this is Barshaka's sari. Barshaka, I had made an offering on Barshaka's name, and I will be giving it to Gopi Anna today because Gopi Anna is getting married next month. So this is for Pujaka. So yep, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful sari so that if you also want to get it, it's a handmade sari, so definitely you can get it. Okay, what are we making Minelchi today?
Fish molly.
Yes.
Fish molly decorate savola ulli, cashew nut and
This is the decoration for fish molly. Little more coconut oil. Yeah, garam masala. Ginger, garlic, vetla, and onion and green chili. വലിയ ഗ്രീൻ ചില്ലി അല്ലോ,
നല്ല എരിവായി.
ഹൈലി ചില്ലി,
അതെ.
highly hot chili. Put the chili also. Okay.
Yeah.
And now we are making idiyappam. For that, first we boil coconut milk.
തിളക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒഴിച്ചേക്കാം.
Okay.
തിളക്കാനാകുമ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് ഉപ്പിടുക.
Add little salt to the coconut milk. And here side fish molly is getting ready. Okay.
അത്
നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞോ.
അരിപ്പൊടി ഇത് ഇടിയപ്പം സോഫ്റ്റ് ആകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് തേങ്ങാപ്പാല് തിളപ്പിച്ചിട്ട് അതിനകത്ത് പൊടി കൊടുക്കുന്നത്.
So we mix rice powder in coconut milk to soften the idiyappam. Secret technique. Now Minalji is gonna add the rice powder.
Yeah.
Okay, off the flame when it boils, then add the rice powder. Into fish molly, we'll add coconut milk. This boil and
ഇല്ല ഇല്ല.
This plain coconut milk. Too much aroma over here.
തിളച്ചിട്ട് വേണം ഫിഷ് ഇടാൻ.
After it boils, we'll put the fish.
2 ടീസ്പൂൺ വിനാഗിരി.
Once it's boiled, add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. കരിമീനാ? Now we add കരിമീൻ, the tastiest fish in the world. We fill the dough in our machine. This is historic machine used since olden ages, since the time of kings. And now we make idiyappam. And now our fish molly is also almost ready. Ready? Wait.
ഇല്ല.
Almost ready.
തലപ്പാൽ വയ്ക്കും.
Now the first milk of coconut. That is the milk we get on extracting it first, alle.
ആ.
Hello, Vichi. Okay. Now we add sliced tomatoes. Decoration ആണോ അതോ flavor ആണോ?
ഡെക്കറേഷൻ ആൻഡ് രണ്ടും കൂടിയാ.
Both decoration and flavor. Last decoration of our fish molly പൂക്കളം.
ഓക്കെ.
Okay. Okay. Homemade homemade cupcake, chocolate and normal flavor. And we have vellappam and diamond. Apaji is attending online class.
Place the values
Diamond review.
in columns. Place the
Apaji will do
values in
diamond
columns.
review.
Like filter means based on what we are going to see the
like a diamond.
data. It may be
Cupcake കഴിച്ചോ?
Diamond is another form of carbon.
salesman,
Graphite
or
and
it may
diamond.
be department. Whatever main field you are having, that one we have to drag and drop.
Cupcake കഴിച്ചോ?
Example, I will select department.
ഈ സൗണ്ട് കയറുമല്ലോ.
Chocolate
Location,
cupcake.
rows.
Homemade.
Row wise information should be location.
Very nice.
If I place drag and drop locate.
And last but not the least, Malai chicken. Sorry, we won't be telling the recipe because it's already marinated. Malai chicken is frying If you don't like Malai chicken, attend Eat Right program. Link in description. Okay, our idiyappam is getting ready in our special equipment. Close.
എത്ര വർഷമാണെന്നറിയോ?
How many years old? Oh, this is 40 years old, guys. I am going to make this into an NFT and sell it. 40-year-old equipment worth crores of
ഇത്ര
rupees.
ഇവിടെ കിട്ടത്തില്ല, ഇത് ബോംബെ മെയ്ഡാ.
Oh, Bombay made. 40 വർഷം അല്ലേ?
വലിയ മനസ്സിലാ. വലിയൊക്കെ 40 വർഷം ബോംബെ അല്ലേ? അല്ലല്ലേ?
Okay, everyone, our idiyappam machine got stuck. It is not working. And star man Anandu is here. That is trying,
നീ
but
നോക്കിയായിരുന്നോ?
it's not working. അപ്പാച്ചി നോക്കും. അപ്പാച്ചിയൊക്കെ
ആ,
നോക്കി.
പച്ച
അങ്ങനെ അപ്പാച്ചി
ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ് ആണ് ഉറപ്പല്ലേ?
ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ്.
ചെറുപ്പം മുട്ടിക്കൊടുത്ത തമ്മിലൊക്കെ മുട്ടി നോക്കിയായിരുന്നോ? അണ്ണനെ ഏതാണ്ട് എക്യുപ്മെന്റും കൊണ്ടിങ്ങി വരുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു പ്രകാശന.
എനിക്ക് ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ട്.
He's saying he has class.
Presentation, and I want to show it to the user what the system
Okay. Open with hammer.
സ്ട്രോങ് കാവ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, സ്ട്രോങ് ഇതില്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്.
Success. Okay, Malai chicken is ready. Everything for Apache. Okay, finally we are ending with dessert. Miniacheese kunafa. This is an Arabic dish. Very tasty dessert. We used to have a lot of it in Qatar. Kunafa. Spoon തരൂ.
ടേസ്റ്റ് നോക്കാൻ തരാം.
And this is kunafa. Dessert. People are shouting here for dessert, but I think they won't get. Unboxing, and finally we have a gift from Lakshmika, I guess. And Amazon's packing is quite good this time. Usually it comes in not that great packing, but this time packing is very good. And oh, Amazon letter is there. Oh, thank you, Lakshmika. Lakshmika has attached a letter also in here, and Amazon has packed it very well with a smile. Oh, it's actually nice packing. Whoa, it's actually super. And this is it. Cute miniatures. I nowadays use unicorn smileys a lot. So here I have one purple unicorn. Can you see it? Let me show you. Oh, my table is full. One unicorn. Two unicorn pink with wings. And a third unicorn without wings. What is this? And a white unicorn. Where is SB? I think SB will be happy today. Yes, SB is flying on his unicorn, and there he reaches. So these are my new for unicorns. Hope you guys like it. Ta-da! Oh, also Alataka asked me to show these photos. So this is in my bedroom. That's me wearing my Ray-Bans. I always used to love Ray-Ban sunglasses. So my dad bought me one long back. And this is my old Ray-Ban. When I was young only, see, I loved Ray-Bans even before I knew it. And this is a smaller me. And I think this is my 4th birthday. I'm not sure since there are 4 candles. Yes, that's me. And that's me and my parents and me acting like Tom Cruise. So that's it, Alataka. That's my pictures.